Going on a trip with our favorite rocket ship, going through the sky. Little Dysons. What? Yes, I think so. It turned out to be, though. Oh god. I don't. I asked you. Well, I went onto YouTube and saw you have it. Oh jeez. I forgot I was recording again. Well, hello YouTube. It is me, Jade. And Pastel, but she's in the call, so we can't hear her. And I am sick right now, so that's my voice isn't normal because I'm sick. Kinda get it. And yeah, happy Mother's Day to all those mothers or childs watching. Make sure to tell your mother happy Mother's Day. And make sure to tell your mom happy Mother's Day if she's here. And make sure to eat moms too. Like there's can you believe? This guy just walked up to me. Ugh. Okay. Game froze. So, as you might know, I love. Here's some things about me actually. I love anime. There, that's it. And I love gacha too. And my birthday is May 30th. And we might be doing a face reveal. And I also love pastel, aka Kitty. And my birthday is May 30th, like I said. So it's coming up really soon. And Pastel's birthday is on December 7th. So make sure to say happy birthday to us when the day comes. Yeah, and sorry about the beginning. I forgot I was recording. And if you guys have any, and it might have probably been a blooper though. And can you guys tell us in the comments one thing though? If you guys do record, if you guys do record and stuff, how do you get 2 people in it? Because we struggle to find some people. Like our voices never go on. Wait, I think I have an idea. What anime thing? And tell us your favorite anime. For me, I like Fairy Tail, SAO, Sailor Moon, Nico, and I have lots of anime outfits in my Roblox avatar, wearing one right now. So thanks for watching and bye. Love you guys. Bye, Sha.